This is like number 4 on your radicals quiz. We have 4 radical 3 minus 5 all squared. The first thing we need to do is rewrite this as 4 radical 3 minus 5 times itself. Oh, that should be a radical 5. So whenever we're squaring something, that means we're multiplying it by itself. And now we FOIL. So rewrite and then FOIL. When we're foiling this, 4 times 4 is 16. Under the radical, you have 3 times 3, which is 9. Here are outsides. We have 4 times negative, so that's negative 4. And 3 times 5 under the radical, 15 under your radical. Insides here, negative times positive 4 is negative 4. 5 times 3 under your radical, again, square root of 15. And our last, be careful with your sign here, because we have negative times negative, which is a positive. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25. I recommend you go in these little steps like this. We know the square root of 9, we know the square root of 25, but we'll do that in our next step. So the square root of 9 is 3, so this is going to become 16 times 3. And we know the square root of 25 is 5. And then if you look at these that we have in the middle, our middle terms have the same radical, so we can combine those. Negative 4 radical 15ths minus 4 radical 15ths, that's negative 8 radical 15. The last thing we have to do here is 16 times 3, that's 48. Now we're just combining like terms as we go. And you should have noticed we have like terms here as well. 48 plus 5 is 53. And that's your final answer. So rewrite, FOIL, break down your radicals, and combine like terms. Remember, anytime you're saying the square root of 25 is 5, you need to get rid of that radical.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.